In this video, I'll show you how you can access additional website settings after you create or publish your website. Let's go. So after you finish creating your website and hit publish, this is the settings you will see here. You can change the URL of your website here. You can add your own domain with this button here. You can also use the drop down and use any domain you already have added by choosing it here. I don't have any here, so I can only use the MailerPage.io, which we provide for all our clients. You can change the favicon image. This is what you see in your tab, but right over here. All the settings that are connected with SEO are here. Social share, this is the information that will be seen when people share your site on social media. Analytics and custom codes are here. For Google Analytics, you can paste your code here. Here's the Facebook pixel. You can disable tracking on your whole website if you want, and you can turn on click maps if you wish right over here. Header injection code if you need to put in anything in your header, and in your pages, you can use this field for that. Once you're done, go ahead and click Save and Continue. And here is an overview of your whole website. You can preview it by clicking the preview button. You have the preview code here. If you need to share with anyone, go ahead and click X if you're done with that. You can edit the design of your website by clicking this button, unpublish it, turn on or off double opt-ins. We have a separate video for double opt-ins if you want to see that. You can copy the URL here, edit the groups that are connected with any forms you create on your website, and go back to the settings we were just in a moment ago by clicking Edit Settings here. You can also see the analytics here. This will start filling up once people start visiting your website. Survey reports, this is for any surveys you have on your website. Automations, if you connect your forms to automations, you will see them here, or you can create an automation right from here that will connect to this website. Any custom domains will be visible here, and you can add more by clicking this button here. Now let's go back. The double opt-in settings are here, and the Stripe settings are here if you're using any of our commerce blocks on your website. And there's another video where I go over these settings. You can also go ahead and click settings here and change the name of the website here. You can duplicate the website, delete the website, or again, edit the website right over here. And that's all I have for you in this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Again, thank you for watching. If you need more help, contact us directly or join our academy and learn all the ins and outs of MailerLite. All the details are in the description. See you there and have a wonderful day.